Okay. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Mark A. Baba with honors with a rating of 90. Then another certificate of recognition is awarded to Hermi D. Cabanyo with honors with a rating of 92. Congrats. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Camilo D. Cabile with honors with a rating of 90. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Jaker B. Capiruzzo with honors with a rating of 92. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to James Brian Cuevas with honors with a rating of 92. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Rex Cyrus B. Colbingan with honors with a rating of 90. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Jorens John P. Zamora with honors with a rating of 90. Then certificate of recognition is awarded to Erlyn May G. Alfonso with honors with a rating of 91. Certificate of recognition is awarded to Princess Angel P. Base with honors with a rating of 90. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Rian N. Duterte with honors with a rating of 93. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Sydney Laird L. with honors with a rating of 93. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Monet B1 with honors with a rating of 94. Then, another certificate of recognition is awarded to
Alfonso
with honors with a rating of 92. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Lea Joy G. Justo with honors with a rating of 90.
Mali ang spelling sa
Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Natalie Mediano with honors and Angel Min Paday with honors with a rating of 91.
Wala si Paday, sir. Nag-transfer
na siya, sir?
Alfonso.
Kinsa?
Is dai.
Ato guro ko.
Dai is dai.
Hindi na, uy, atos na ako.
Hoy, kinsa? Hoy, kinsa transfer? Paday?
Mamshi.
Paday?
Si Mamshi ka
Wala ni.
Si Paday.
Dahil man kung anong ginitan sa display.
Pilit siya dai.
Sir, saan ba? Puchusin na gano'n naman. Ay, isa pa rin ang female.
Si Fred.
Granting honor for this quarter average nice 90. Ay mga 89 na tayo sa
Di ko magito. Uy, di ko maloy sa ako.
Dito mo ka dito pika.
Congratulations.
Dito mo ko dito.
Ano na lang, no? Ano pa na yung